pẹ̀lú bí wàhálà inú ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú All Progressives Congress APC ẹ̀ka ti Agége àti orílẹ̀ Agége ṣe ń tẹ̀síwájú látàrí àbájáde èsì ìdìbò abẹ́lé ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀hún tó wáyé nínú oṣù karùn-ún ọdún yìí ní ìmúrasílẹ̀ fún ètò ìdìbò alága ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ ní ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó. Àkàìmọye ìwọ́de alálàáfíà àti ìfẹ̀hónúhàn wọ́ọ́rọ́wọ́ ló ti wáyé ní Agége, ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ̀kọ́ ò tí ì ṣojú mímu rárá. Ohun tí àwọn ènìyàn ọ̀hún ń jà fún ni pé abẹnugan ilé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣojú-ṣòfin ní ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó, Ọ̀nàrẹ́bù Mudashiru Ọbaṣá ló yan àwọn ọmọ oyè tí yóò díje ní Agége àti orílẹ̀ Agége lé àwọn lórí, tó fi mú àwọn kánsílọ̀ láwọn wọ́ọ̀dù gbogbo léyìí tí wọ́n ní àwọn kò ní fi ara mọ́. Èyí ló fà á tí gbogbo wọn fi mú ọwọ́jà ìwọ́de wọn kúrò ní Agége, tí wọ́n sì gba olú ilé ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú All Progressives Congress APC tó wà ní Aggrieved ní ìlú Ìkẹjà nípínlẹ̀ Èkó lọ. Àwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ kọ̀ọ̀kan kò ṣàì bá àwọn akọ̀ròyìn wa sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n sọ.
àfẹ́ kí wọ́n da ìbò ọdún yìí, àfẹ́ kí wọ́n dànù fún wa. Àwọn òkúrò nínú ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ ni wá. Àwa díẹ̀ tí wọ́n máa ṣe ẹgbẹ́ lọ títí ni. Àwọn aṣíwájú làwa o. Títí aṣíwájú 2027 àtún máa dìbò yẹn ni. Ìbò lóyìn ló máa jẹ́. Ṣùgbọ́n bàbá, ilé ń jò. Ilé ń jò gidi gan ni. Iná dẹ̀ ń jó lórí òrùlé. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ẹ wá bomi pa. Ẹ wá di ẹ má jẹ́ kí ilé yẹn jò mọ́. Ẹ bá wa sọ fún Ọbaṣá Mudashiru ẹni kó jáwọ́ nínú òṣèlú Agége. Ó lè máa ṣe òṣèlú ẹ̀ bó ṣe ṣe lọ. Kó má gbẹ̀yàn lé wa lórí. Wọ́n ní ká lọ pápá, wọn ò jẹ́ ká lọ pápá. Tó o bá lérò tí n bá lérò, ẹ jẹ́ lọ pápá ká lọ dìbò yìí. Wọ́n ní rárá, wọ́n ní ẹni táre ò yá. Wọ́n ti sọ pé ó ti tìkú. Àwọn ò fẹ́ yẹn o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ pápá ká di ìbò yìí.
To be wounding people during the election is the chief of opposition. He normally did opposition. When APC bring us as a councillor, you go and bring another from a call, and they'll be injuring people. What kind of a woman he is? He should go and relax. I try to tell him to go and relax. Since 1999 is enough for him to relax.
He said no. Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀, alága ẹgbẹ́ tó ń polongo ìbò fún ààrẹ ìyẹn Presidential Campaign Council PCC lábẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú All Progressives Congress APC ní Agége àti orílẹ̀ Agége, ìyẹn Ọ̀nàrẹ́bù Kamaldeen Sabitu ní Mudashiru Ọbaṣá ló yan Túndé Disco láti díje gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ oyè lábẹ́ àsíá ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú All Progressives Congress, ṣùgbọ́n tó jẹ́ wípé ìlera rẹ̀ kò pé tẹ́nikẹ́ni kò sì mọ ibi tó wà. Bákan náà ló yan ọmọ rẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí igbákejì Túndé Disco kó lè rọ́pò Túndé Disco tí ohunkóhun bá ṣẹlẹ̀.
Ọbaṣá has kept imposing candidate on the party. The present situation is a very, very bad one. The candidate anointed by him in Agége, Túndé Disco, who happened to be the party chairman, is sick and nowhere to be found. We want him to produce him. That's exactly what people are stating again. And again, he said he will use his own son, biological son, to be the vice, so that in case the candidate pass on or any other thing happens to him, the son will become the chairman. Of course, and the son has been disqualified by the party. So who's fooling who? So we urge the party leaders, we urge the candidates, we urge the party leaders, the president to intervene as a matter of urgency so that Agége and only Agége election will continue to push. We don't want it to go down. In the last 15 years, it has been going down. We don't want violence in Agége. We are peace lovers in Agége, and we want our party leaders to intervene as a matter of urgency.
Agbẹnusọ ẹgbẹ́ tó ń polongo ìbò fún ààrẹ ìyẹn Presidential Campaign Council PCC Bámòfin Adétúnjí Akínyẹmí náà ò ṣàì bá àwọn oníròyìn ìwé ìròyìn The Matrix sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó sọ.
You chose Túndé Azeez as a chairmanship candidate in Agége. So as we speak today, Túndé Azeez has not been found in the community for the past 4 weeks now. And then we said you came out, you brought your son that is going to be the chairman, and we protested against it that you cannot use your you can't use your son. It is not a royal title. It is a political thing. You must allow us our voice to be heard. And you drop your son to vice chairman. The purported person you use for the chairman is sick. It cannot be found in the community. You cannot impose such a person on us. So, eventually anything happens to him, you still want to go by the back door to impose your son on us, despite the directives, even from the state, even at the leadership of the state, sir. So these are our agitations this morning. And we are trying to curtail it to Agege. We've done that for the past, and sir, you also testify that there has been peace. Relative peace. There have been peace. And we try to maintain that peace. But when we saw that it appears that our leaders in Agege are not doing anything about it, we decided to escalate it to the state level, to the Secretariat, and trusting that this, sir, we are also aware of the appeal committee that was headed by Lawa Peru. Our people we wrote petitions to that committee. Our people were invited, sir. None of them was attended to. And therefore, personally, we don't have any conviction in that particular committee. We wrote petitions to you. You invited our aspirants. None of them were attended to. So apparently, the purported report that was submitted to the chairman apparently cannot contain our grievance as Agege is concerned. Because none of us, none of the aggrieved party was attended to. None of us, sir.
Síwájú sí ẹ̀bẹ̀, ìwé ẹ̀bẹ̀ tí àwọn ènìyàn ọ̀hún kọ ránṣẹ́ sí àwọn aláṣẹ ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú APC ni wọ́n fi lé akọ̀wé ìpolongo ẹgbẹ́ náà, ìyẹn Mọ́gàjí Ṣẹ̀yẹ Ọládẹ̀jọ tó ṣojú alága ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀hún Cornelius Ọ̀jẹ́lábí lọ́wọ́, tó sì ṣe ìlérí pé gbogbo ìbéèrè wọn ni ìdáhùn àti àkíyèsí yóò wà fún.
First, we want to appreciate your peaceful conduct, and we have listened attentively to all those areas. And as a party, even as a father in a family, if your children are not too happy about whatever is going on, do not dismiss those areas of conflict. You have to listen to all the parties to find a way whereby you can resolve all those problems. This is our party, and I believe that as a party, we should not mismanage our success. What do I mean by mismanaging our success? We should not take people of Lagos for granted, because they have trusted us with this mandate since 1999. And it's because of this trust that we seem not to really appreciate what God has given us.
Bákan náà ló ṣe ìlérí pé àwọn yóò ránṣẹ́ sí alága ẹgbẹ́ PCC lórí àbájáde náà. Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ síwájú sí i, agbẹnusọ fún ẹgbẹ́ PCC ní Agége àti orílẹ̀ Agége, Bámòfin Adétúnjí Akínyẹmí, fìdí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀ pé àwọn yóò fún àwọn aláṣẹ ẹgbẹ́ náà ní ọjọ́ díẹ̀ lẹ́yìn tí àwọn kò bá gbọ́ ohunkóhun lórí ẹ̀. Ó ṣeé ṣe kí ọwọ́jà ìwọ́de àwọn tún sún síwájú sí ju bó ti wà lọ.
After this today, if we wait about 7 days after today, nothing is done, we will take this our fight to a next level. And at that point, I'm sure it is not only Lagos State that we hear about it. The whole world will hear about it this time around. I assure you. Thank you so much.
Láti jẹ̀gbádùn àwọn ìròyìn lónìrànràn síwájú sí i, ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ The Matrix lórí Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube àti X. Àdúrà Mọ́mi Balógun ló ṣe òǹgbùfọ̀ ìròyìn yìí. Ẹniọlá Sálíù lórúkọ mi.